Hello everyone, this is one PHP application. So this is client from the Australian government. So this application is completely built simple PHP. So this is PHP file. So all file is PHP file. So when someone hit in this URL, so automatically show everything. So their website automatically hacked several times, so they cannot control their website. So they comes to me to proper guide how to secure their application. So I guide them to convert this PHP to Laravel application. So in this Laravel, so no need to open the PHP.init.logout or .home. This type of directly no need to hit that PHP file in extension. So automatically URL based application. So admin.dashboard automatically open. So /when click the admin dashboard, so automatically open the admin dashboard. So present the admin/dashboard.php need to open. So that's why I attack this type of URL had hit and get access, bypass the secret system. So in this Laravel, you have also getting the middleware, how to detect this type of URL, who can get access this URL. Also they can validation the user, also several type of user. So that's why I want to move this application within the 1 month. The normal PHP to Laravel 100% granted that no one can hack this application also. So in this application we have implemented in several secure way, also provided the Cloudflare rule setup, so this can help, and so no one can try to hack this application, as automatically Cloudflare detected and so block this type of hit without. So before reach the application, our application hit automatically block from Cloudflare. So this type rule setup will be from Cloudflare. So in this way we can set 100% security for this guarantee for the PHP application. Also provided this application here is auto all coded is here. So here needs 1 month to one by one. I have set up everything one by one. So everything we can convert the normal PHP to Laravel application. So best of luck. Any kinds of help from me, you can contact me from the description, WhatsApp or email. I will help you as fast as possible. Thank you. Best of luck.